You are going to love the 2014 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, perimeter alarm, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, universal garage door opener, cargo net, power adjustable pedals, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.